Now then, the last little bit that we have to do, of course, is put our movie somewhere where we can get to it. Now there are a number of ways of doing this, but hopefully you'll have AirDrop working on your Mac. Possibly you've got a Mac or you've got something you can AirDrop the file to. That's by far the quickest method. If you share it to the iCloud or to Dropbox or somewhere like that, because of your upload speed problems, it can take quite a while to transfer. So you have to leave iMovie open while it's doing it. If you close iMovie and go away, it'll stop the transfer. So I've found the easiest way. We have our file ready. You can see it there playing. Blah de blah de blah. Okay, stop that. Because what we want to do here, now this is the shortest lesson on the planet. Down the bottom of the screen you will see a play button, an up arrow and a rubbish bin. Don't press the rubbish bin one because that will get rid of it. What you want to do is press the up arrow and that brings up your sharing options. And you'll see I've got a Mac Mini, which is the desktop computer I'm working with, and I've got another iPad that sits there working as a secondary monitor. And you can use Notes, Facebook, send to Kindle, Evernote, all sorts of other things that I've got there that you can send it to. And you can save it to files or save to Dropbox and possibly a few others. Save video, save it to iTunes, export project. Now, export project, let's see what that gives us. There's another of my old iPads coming up. Preparing project for sharing. Just takes a moment because fortunately it comes up with the same thing again, you see. So what I'll do is send it to the Mac Mini, and that's the AirDrop. Just waits for the Mac Mini to come up. And you can see it slowly sending there. The default location for AirDrops, well, the ones that I've set anyway, is on the Mac Mini is the downloads directory. It's easiest to find there. So anything I'm sending, I'll send there. Your options may be different, and that's quite alright too. Just takes a bit more. You can see the progress bar going round and round there. There is another way of doing this that I'll show you in a moment. It doesn't go through the export process. And that's shared it to a directory and it's given it a name, the Inaminka Affair Movie Trailer. Okay, now the other option, as I mentioned, was simply airdropping. You just press the up arrow to share and you share it to the Mac Mini, not the iPad. And it's sending it, and it's far quicker. Now the reason it's far quicker here is because it's not converting the movie. Now, let me have a look at this. Got the idea? Now just pause here a moment. I'm just looking at something on the machine. This is the one you want. Don't go to export to start with. Otherwise you'll end up with an iMovie project. What you want is the movie, and it'll be an MOV file. So let's go to that again. You can see there export project, don't export the project, because it's actually exporting the project, which you can do again. So for exported project, you can import it somewhere else. You could be on another machine, you could be somewhere else. If you just want the movie that you've created, then you want to airdrop the first one up to the top, or save it to files, or save the video. Don't export it. Don't export the project as I did first. Okay? Okay, now that should be it. Thanks for watching.